Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 23 of saving $10 a day in April. So I am bringing $10 to try to go through and finish as many minis and tinies in my stash as I can. And as I'm opening this up, I realized I did not pull any extras. So I'm just going to kind of have a little stash over here. A little bit easy to get to. All right, so let's get our $10 in prop coins out. So I bring $10 in cash, and then I have $10 in prop coins, so I mix those up. But then I put this in here, and then if we finish anything, we come to the bank and then take out whatever amount it was that challenge was. And then I put everything in the back, and at the end of the month, I'll do a little left, right, center type randomizer. All right, do we need the candle right there? Probably not. All right, so let's see what we can do with our little lavender die today. Starting at number 5 with 3. Nice one. 1 for 6. I hope you are doing well and you're having a good week. 2 for 1. 1 for 2. It was backwards. 1 for 3. I had a little hop to it. 1, 2, 3 for number 4. I said 3 for number 4, so 1 for number 5. 1, 2, and 3 for number 6. 1 for 1. 1 for 2. 1, 2, 3 for 3. That's awesome. I feel like I'm getting my ones back. I haven't had them, what feels like, in forever, so it's kind of nice. 3. So we only have 2, so we're going to put them there, and then we're going to start on number 5, or on number 6 tomorrow. All right, so we don't need this or this. All right, number 1. We have $1.50. And going into number 1, we just needed 50 cents. So let's put that back. This one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. Look at the little paw. All right, let me get my Crayola clicks out. I know a lot of people like them, but a lot of people agreed with me. It's like they're like thicker and it's hard to click. I don't know. I'm just being a little bit of a brat. So that's $5 for that. So we still have $1. I don't think there's going to be anything in here. How about extras? Oh, there's a little something. Oh, we do have something. What's this? Oh, we have from Bookish Mama Budgets. Look at the little panda. I see a bunch of circles to color. So I am going to color in a circle. We have $1, so I can do this whole column. I'll be right back. All right, so we have our $1 in there. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. All right, number 2, we have this one from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. It helps if we actually get the money out too. We have $1. That's not really easy to read. Let me get my green out again. Everything on my desk is jiggling, but I think my camera's still okay. All right, so this one still needs 75 cents to finish. All right, number 3. All right, we have $1.50. And number 3 is from Becca Budget 777. We are going to color in some strawberries. So we have $1.50, so that's 4 and 2. So that's 6 strawberries, or 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, I'll be right back. we go. Kind of looks like halfway through. All right, so number 4, we have $1, $2.50. All right, so let's see what we have in here. This is from Sassy Ginger Budgets. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1. So that's that one. 25, 50, 75, $1. That's that one. And then 50 cents. So 25 and 50. Very cool. All right, so we'll put you with that one and mix you up over here. That's so cute. All right, and then number 5. Number 5 has $1, $2.25. And this one is from DIY Budget, which is Diva's Budgeting on YouTube. So let's get our orange out. So we have $1, $2.25. We finished this one. Holy cow. So we have 25, and that's that one. And then 50, 75, $1, 50, 50. All right, very cool. So that one saved us $4. So we need to get another one out, but we do not have any money going into it. So let's see, we have 2 left. Nope, that's number 6. We have 2 left. So we have this adorable one from the Enchanted Owl's Nest, and I did completely shrink it. So I don't think it's supposed to be this small, but look at how adorable that is. So we'll just do both of these together so we don't have anything to put in there. All right, number 6. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1. So we have $1.25 going into number 6. And number 6 is from Budgeting with Bree, $14.87. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1.25. So this one still needs 75 cents to finish. All right, so that's good. So let's see what we did finish. We're going to go back up to the front. Let's get our prop coins. All right, and then we have 5 and 4. So we have $9 that we need from our bank. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then we come back to here. And then I just shove all of that in there, and then 2 more that we can put in the completed challenge. Yay! Thank you guys for hanging out with me for day 22. Awesome. So thank you guys for being here. I don't know how many times I can thank you, but thank you for being here. Just kidding. All right, have an amazing rest of your day and a fantastic week ahead. And until next time, take care. Bye.